The Canon XA75 UHD 4K 30 camcorder is a powerhouse built for professionals who need versatility, reliability, and quality. At its core is a large 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with Canon's DIG CDV6 image processor, delivering stunning 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second. The 15x optical zoom lens offers flexibility in framing without sacrificing image clarity, making it perfect for everything from on-the-go documentary work to studio setups. What truly makes this package stand out is the comprehensive bundle included. You get a 7-inch Lilliput A7S Full HD monitor for precision monitoring, which is a must for serious videographers. The Sony ECM VG1 shotgun mic captures crisp directional audio, and the dual XLR inputs on the camera ensure clean, professional-grade sound recording. The included 64GB SanDisk Extreme Pro memory cards handle high bitrate 4K video effortlessly, and with two BP828 replacement batteries plus a BP820 charger, you can shoot all day without worrying about power. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system is lightning fast and accurate, especially helpful when filming moving subjects. The built-in 5-axis image stabilization helps smooth out handheld shots, and the camera also features anti-shake and low-light capabilities, which are essential for field work or run-and-gun shooting. The dual SD card slots support both relay and simultaneous recording, offering data security and extended recording time. The build quality feels solid and professional while remaining compact and lightweight for portability. With a wide-angle lens, telephoto lens, filter kit, LED light, heavy-duty tripod, and carrying bag included, this bundle equips you for almost any production scenario. Whether you're creating cinematic content, conducting interviews, or streaming live events, the XA75 bundle is one of the best all-in-one setups for pro-level content creators.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.